You wake up tomorrow, walk to the window, and the sky is on fire. But it's not a normal fire, and it's definitely not a beautiful sunrise. It's the end. Because the sun, yes, our very own sun, just exploded into a supernova. Sounds like a movie, right? But what if it really happened? What would happen to Earth? To you? In this video, we are diving into that terrifying and super fascinating possibility. Get ready. Things are about to get intense. Let's start at the beginning. A supernova is the explosive death of a massive star. And when I say massive, I mean huge, at least 8 times the mass of our Sun. When these stars run out of fuel, they collapse under their own weight and explode with a force so powerful they can outshine an entire galaxy for a short time. It's like the universe's final scream, beautiful, violent, and unforgettable. So here's the big question, can our Sun go supernova? The short answer is nope. Our Sun is a medium-sized star, pretty chill by cosmic standards. It doesn't have enough mass to explode like that. When it dies, in about 5 billion years, it'll swell up into a red giant, swallow a few planets, then gently shed its outer layers and become a white dwarf. No explosion, no fireworks. So why are we talking about this? Because imagining this what if helps us understand just how delicate and precious our place in the universe really is. But let's get wild for a second. Imagine that, somehow, the Sun suddenly could go supernova tomorrow. What would that look like? First off, the sky would flash with a blinding light, way brighter than anything we've ever seen. But the brightness would be the least of our problems. Within minutes, deadly radiation would race across space, slam into Earth, and start ripping away our atmosphere like it's paper. With no atmosphere left to protect us, the temperature would rise insanely fast. Plants, gone. Animals, gone. Us, toasted. Oceans would start to boil, skies would fill with toxic gases, and the Earth's surface would begin to crack and burn. And then, the shockwave hits, a massive wall of destruction, strong enough to tear mountains apart and reduce cities to dust. Doesn't matter where you're hiding. Nowhere would be safe. And it's not just Earth that'd be in trouble. Mercury and Venus, being closer to the Sun, would be obliterated instantly. Mars would be blasted to pieces. Even the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn would feel it, their orbits thrown off, maybe even torn apart over time. The outer planets could get flung right out of the solar system. Because without the Sun's gravity holding everything together, the whole system falls apart. Okay, but what if we were already living on Mars, the Moon, or inside some fancy space station? Bad news, we still wouldn't make it. The radiation from a supernova travels at light speed. It would hit us before we had time to react. Unless we were already way beyond our solar system, like living around another star light years away, survival would be almost impossible. Space is harsh. Supernovas are unforgiving. Now the good news, this isn't going to happen. Our Sun simply can't become a supernova. It doesn't have the mass. When its time comes, it'll go out gently, cosmically speaking. But there are stars out there that can go boom. Take Betelgeuse, for example. That one might go supernova sometime soon, and when it does, we'll see it from Earth. So yeah, the danger is real, just not close. For now, we are living in a rare cosmic calm, and that's something to appreciate. If the sun turned into a supernova tomorrow, we'd be gone before we even knew what hit us. But since that's impossible, we've got time to breathe, dream, and maybe look up at the sky with a little more. The universe is wild. It's dangerous, but it's also incredible. If you enjoyed this journey through the stars, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who's always asking, what if?